I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how Greece is starting to build its own Dubai Easy method. Start by mapping coastal zones, zoning rules, and investor targets. Then prioritize fast infrastructure upgrades and tourism anchors. Focus on clear permits, reliable utilities, and streamlined investment incentives to attract developers. Coordinate local workforces with targeted training programs, and sequence projects so hotels, marinas, and retail open early to generate revenue and momentum. Target international investors with transparent returns and flexible partnership models, and pitch mixed-use projects that combine hospitality and tech hubs. Leverage EU funds, green finance, and private equity to lower public burden while ensuring local benefits. Structure public-private partnerships with clear milestones and performance clauses to protect taxpayers. Build early flagship projects that show proven returns, then expand outward, using reinvested revenue and success stories to attract more developers. Quick recommendation: consider leak-proof meal prep containers to keep food fresh between site visits and modeling sessions. These leak-proof containers are sturdy, stackable, and easy to clean, making them perfect for busy planners and contractors. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and like. It helps us make more useful content. Check the description for the product link and other deals and support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Emphasize resilient coastal design with sea walls, elevated walkways, and smart drainage to handle storms and sea level changes. Integrate high-speed fiber, renewable energy microgrids, and efficient public transit to cut congestion and emissions. Prioritize walkable districts, mixed housing, and year-round attractions to avoid seasonal slumps. Use modular construction and prefabrication to speed delivery and control costs, while proudly maintaining local architectural identity that appeals to tourists and residents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.